guys wanted an update on that. Gotta grab my camera. It's starting to rust through. I don't think I'm gonna sell it yet. Like I said, I know it's rusting out, but I might have plans for this yet. Sorry for the wind noise. She's starting to rust through. We haven't done a thing to it. I pumped the tires up and I've been holding nicely. That's where the brown Ford sat. I brought her back to life. I may bring this back to life yet. Just wait, give it time. Might not be this year, might be next year, but it might be brought back from the dead someday. Just like that truck over there. Just give it some time, and just keep looking out. I might trick you guys. I might get something different. I might fix it. I'm just gonna make you guys wonder, you know. But yeah, she's pretty windy today. Getting the corn chopper ready there. It's pretty much ready. We just gotta go. The car over there, 6-liter. Semi's over there. Dually over there. Ford pickups over there. Dodge. But as for this truck, just wait and see. A lot of stuff might be in storage you don't know about. Sorry for the wind. It's very windy out here. It's not a good day to video. I was kind of hoping this thing would work because this like gets rid of the wind noise, but it's the lens. It's been going bad for quite some time. You got to invest in your equipment because you use them a lot, you know.